Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the blurry face trend tutorial on CapCut. So what you need to do is import a photo to CapCut and then just go to video effects and choose basic and find the motion blur effect. So this one, click on that, adjust the effects, set the horizontal into 56 and the intensity into 100. Okay, click on the check icon and copy the effect. Okay, I'm going to lower it first. Copy the effects, put it at the bottom and set the effects the same as the photo, like this. And then after that, export the video. Then go back, delete the effects, and then go to overlay and add the video that you've just exported. This one, click on add, fit the size like this, and then go to mask and then select rectangle, and here fit the mask to this face, move to the face part like this, and then pull the corner to make it rounded like so, and then fit the mask to the shape of face. Oops. Like this. Okay, you need to move it carefully. And then last, drag the arrow at the bottom to blur the edges. Like this. Click on the check icon. Oops, I'm going to go to mask again. Click on the check icon, and here is the result. Okay guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click on the thanks below and don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe, and also click on the thumbs up icon. See you at the following tutorial. Bye.